guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I have the new Danessa Myricks Freedom palette, and this is the Everyday Magic palette. I want everything that Danessa Myricks drops, especially when she came out with the Freedom palette 6 and 7, and I actually missed out on both palettes, which I can never forgive myself about. So every time she comes out with the minis, I pick them up. So if you don't know, the minis come with their own pouch that you can store your makeup away, travel, whatever. And this is what the palette looks like. It's magnetic, and also the eyeshadows in it are magnetic as well, so you can switch them around however you want. And like I said, I got another one. I also have this Freedom palette, and these are the colors in this one. So freaking cute. So I cannot wait to play around with these eyeshadows today. You know, we're gonna do sexy sultry. That's what I live for. So yeah. And look, they're stackable. I just literally stacked these two on top of each other and they stuck together. So I'm pretty sure I can take these shades out and put them in the other palette as well and make my own custom palette, which is what I love about these Danessa Myricks palettes. So yeah, let's get into the look. The base is gonna be the same, so I probably won't speak over that part because you know the steps for the base. Concealer. This is Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. with this color right here. I'm also going to take this color right here, and I'm going to put that in the crease as well. Just swatch the two shimmers. Oh my goodness, I don't even know which one I want to use. So freaking gorgeous. I'm gonna do mascara and lashes, and we are done. All right, let me just do lips and I'll show you how this all looks together. But so far, this is a 10 out of 10. Of course it was gonna be a 10 out of 10. It's Danessa Myricks. This is a very clean, simple daytime eye. I wanna get real crazy with this palette because you definitely can. But I just didn't have time to do that right now. But yeah, this eye looks really gorgeous. I love it. I'm gonna do What a Brat lipstick. I'm gonna do What a Brat lip gloss from Fenty. Ooh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So pretty. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer them. Make sure you also follow me on TikTok and Instagram to get the latest makeup short film tutorials. I'll make sure I'll link it down below so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos.